We're going to turn now to new developments as 4 people face a judge in connection with an explosion at a medical facility that claimed the life of a little boy.
It happened on January 31st at the Oxford Center in Troy. 5-year-old Thomas Cooper was receiving treatment in a hyperbaric chamber when it exploded, killing the little boy.
Well, today a judge hearing testimony to see if there is enough evidence to send the owner and 3 employees at the facility to trial.
7 News Detroit reporter Darren Cunningham was inside the courtroom as new details came to light about that tragic day.
The first and only witness to testify on day 1 of the Oxford Center prelim was a former employee who says taking a critical shortcut was the norm.
My primary concern was that we were not putting grounding straps on the patients.
Visibly anxious, Tiffany Hosey testified that she warned former coworkers about what she felt was a safety risk months before the death of 5-year-old Thomas Cooper. He died in a hyperbaric chamber explosion in January of this year at the Oxford Center in Troy. Watching on, CEO Tamala Peterson is charged with second-degree murder and involuntary manslaughter.
What did she say to you about why you didn't use grounding straps?
She saw them as a strangulation risk for some of the kiddos.
Jeff Mosteller and Gary Markin are also charged with second-degree murder and involuntary manslaughter. Aleda Moffitt is charged with involuntary manslaughter for allegedly falsifying a medical chart. Hosey says she raised concerns several times to Peterson and to Mosteller that failing to use grounding strips, a strap that goes around the patient's wrist, was a fire hazard.
I was told that I was uneducated and ill-informed.
Who told you you were uneducated and ill-informed?
Tammy told me that. Maybe a week later, I was let go.
But here's where the defense attorneys objected. Hosey worked at the Brighton location, not in Troy where the incident happened. Also, she left in April of 2024. The defense suggested her testimony about the Troy location was speculative. One attorney also questioned her efforts to report the facility.
You were employed at this center for roughly 45 months, during which you allegedly had all these safety concerns. Did you report it to any outside agency?
Officially report? No.
Okay, so you only took your concerns in-house. Is that fair?
It's true.
Attorney Todd Flood represents Gary Markin.
It was your belief that he may have gotten bad information.
Yes.
And as a matter of fact, there's an officer over here today. You had an interview with her on the phone. Is that right?
Detective Trigger, yes.
Yeah, and you told her that. Mr. Markin doesn't have anything to do with this in essence. You told her, right?
Sure, yes.
All right.
The hearing is scheduled to resume Tuesday morning. In Troy, Darren Cunningham, 7 News Detroit.